this is gonna actually work. So today we are going to be learning to do HTML, and that sounds simple enough, right? Well, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my screen share. So I'm going to share my entire screen with the world. So I am currently screen sharing, apparently. So I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize this, and we are live finally, forever and always. My name is Shady Master J. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do, so say you want to create a website one day off the top of your mind, and you go, okay, I want to create a website. All right, well, I have this Windows computer, and how the heck do I create a website of my own? Oh, so luckily, this program, it gets done searching finally, called Notepad, and it is a great program. Okay, so this is the start of our website, the start of what will be our website, and what is going to be our website forever and always. Um, so the first thing you want to do with any website is first of all, first and foremost, you want to, well, hold on, let me stop screen sharing for a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Hangouts, and here I am back again, but I'm going to return back on screen share and share my untitled notepad. So here it is, my untitled notepad. It's a whole notepad file right here for everybody to see. What you want to do is you want to turn on caps lock, and you go left arrow, exclamation point, doc, type, caps lock, H. The very first thing you do. You go HTML, HTML. Let's say, my phone is close. Anyway, anyway. You also need a head, and a body. Alright, so pretty much here's the main layout of the website. Here's your head, here's your body, and there's your HTML. Well, the first thing you want to do in the head is make a title. Whatever you put in here is going to be what's in the little tab in your website. Like on YouTube, the little tab will say YouTube. If you go to Facebook, it'll say Facebook. If you go to a school corporation, will probably list out the name of the school corporation. Say, you want the name of this website to be called, let's say, that's my name, but you put your name in there, okay? Then this is your website, okay? So there's your title. Now, pretty much got a website, right? But let's say you want the header to also say Joshua's website or Carl's website or whatever, whoever's website. Joshua's website. There you go. Joshua's website. Alright, that's great. Now I have this big header that says Joshua's website. What good does that do? Well, then we'll need a paragraph. And there's your paragraph. And you can type in whatever you want. Hello, my name is Joshua, and I love pizza. I do love pizza. I also love bacon and beans and cheese. Whoa! Bacon, beans, cheese, you got it all. Well, what if we wanted a link? Like, what if we wanted one of these words linked? Well, first of all, let's save as. Okay, here we go. We're gonna look at our website. Going to stop screen sharing, re-screen share, entire screen. There we go. Entire screen shared. And that's great, right? So now we have it saved as, file save as, right? Okay. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. You can save it wherever. But I'm going to save this as Joshua's website. Make sure you put in that underscore. That underscore is very important. Now, how do we make this into a website that will actually open in a web browser? Well, watch this, my friends. At the end of the file, you put .html. That's it. Then you save it. All right. So now we're going to open it. Now, the default browser for this computer is Chrome, but yours will probably open in Internet Explorer or something like that. So once we open this, here's what it is. Wait, here's what it literally is. See, I told you? Up at this little tab at the top, it says Joshua's website. It says Joshua's website. Hello, my name is Joshua, and I love pizza, and I also love bacon and beans and cheese. Great. What if we wanted to insert a picture? Well, let's search Google for a picture. Say I want a picture of pizza, right? And you have pizza. And my family's idiots because they search Yahoo. Alright. Now we can get this. Now we're gonna do this. Now we search pizza. Say we really, really, really want this pizza. Okay. So we go. We get this pizza. Say we want this picture of this pizza, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna right click. Works. You copy a link address. It doesn't matter if it starts with HTML. I prefer it to start with HTML. This one doesn't. It really gets on my nerves when it doesn't. Let's say we want. Now, obviously, we're not gonna, because if we just put a picture in there, it's going to be right off to the side of P. And that is not going to look good. So what do we want to do? We want to put a line break in there. How do we put a line break in there? BR/. There, we have a line break. And that breaks the line. These P's, they're a new paragraph. So they automatically have a line break. Say we put two headers next to each other, they wouldn't have a line break. I don't think so. They might have a line break because they're headers, but I don't know. So How do we get the image in there? Well, what you type is you type in img src equals, in parentheses, Control-V, you copy the link you put, slash, close bracket. Then you should have your image. That's supposedly the image. So I don't think that is it. I'm going to save it as Joshua's website.html. Again, it'll tell me if I want to override it. Yes, I do. Then I'm going to open it again. And I knew it was too good to be true. I just want to get on with this. Copy image URL. Give me a second, guys, because this doesn't want to work. That looks a little bit more like it, but they don't have to be that long. It's a data image base. This weird noise. Open this file again. There's the pizza. I knew we could get the pizza. And there's our pizza. Well, that's great. This website looks great. It does not look professional by any means, but it looks okay. But what if we wanted the heading to be a different color? What if we wanted it to be, let's say we want the heading blue. Alright, let's go to the heading. Let's make the header blue. So, how do we make the header blue? Do style equals font color blue. Seems simple enough. I think it's just color. Yeah, color blue. Dot. Here we go. Go back to my website. And look, it's blue. Great, it's blue. That's a lot. Well, we could do like red and we could do pink. But what if I wanted like magenta or aquamarine? And the answer I'm going to give you is no, we cannot type in those colors. But what we can do is we can put in hexadecimal numbers. And I've lost my hex pad, so what you want to do is you want to search on Google a hexadecimal color palette. And this gives you a whole oh my gosh. Gonna kill something. Yahoo. I'm thinking, do they like Yahoo? I don't like Yahoo. I hate Yahoo. Hex decimal color. Freaking color palette. Yep, there's the one I was looking for. Here it is. It says hexadecimal color pickle, hexadecimal color pickle. Okay, so what you can do is you look at any of these colors and you just pick out one for yourself. So what if I want no? Yeah, HTML pop. Let's do that. And let's say we pick this weird, yeah, this weird shade of purple right here. Okay, we're gonna. So we're going to take this hexadecimal number and we're going to copy it. Right? Go back in here. You know what we're going to do? We're going to place blue that number. What do you think that's going to do to it? All right. So what happens when we go to this website and we refresh the page? Oh look, it's that nice, wonderful, weird shade of purple. And you can also do the same thing with Pete. Style, then you do that weird thing with the yeah, right here. Style right here. That's what you do. Great. So you can do that. Now let's say I want to add a link. Right? Here's what you do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a link underneath the picture. I'm going to add another line break. And I'm going to add a link to Scratch. We go href equals. Now this is a really important part, so pay attention. You have to have HTTP or HTTPS and then the website, or it will not work. If you do not have that, then the website, it will not work unless it is a website in the same folder that you've also created. Because once you just type in scratch.mit.edu, it's thinking it's looking for a website inside the folder that you've made, that you've uploaded, and that you've done. Right? Correct. So once I do that, I'm going to make the words linking to Scratch. There. So it should, underneath that picture, it's going to happen. I'm going to save it. I'm going to do this again. And look, there's Scratch. What happens, hit Scratch, and it brings us to Scratch. Big, whopping surprise. Now, what if you wanted the word pizza to link to a website about pizza? Couldn't we simply, the purest form, couldn't we simply, right here, couldn't we just go A, A? Couldn't we just do that? I mean, it seems logical and plausible. And then you put your href in here. Is that what you do? I mean, it seems like that'd be a good idea. Let's just do pizza.com. I don't even know if that's a website, but yeah, it probably is. All sorts of random websites. So would that work? Looks like it would. And yes, it would. It would work. Because it will span. And there you have it. You have this wonderful pizza right here. But if you do not have HTTP, it doesn't work. Now, let's say we want a background color, right? Right. Seems simple enough. So say we want the background color to be blue. I'm not going to go to the HTML color picker again. I just gonna type in a random color, okay? So yeah, let's have a color blue. That should work. You go to File, you go to Save As, .html. Yes, I would really like to replace it. And it changes to blue. Was pizza.com a thing? Oh yeah, it was. I didn't remember that. I didn't even see that. But yeah, you get it. It's pizza.com. So look at this beautiful website we have. It is beautiful. There's nothing that compares to it. Gee, there's a lot of things that compare to it. A link to pizza. Should we do anything else? Could I teach you guys anything else? Well, I could teach you guys one other thing. What if we wanted the pizza link to open in a new tab? Right? You want pizza link to open in a new tab? Alright. Why is my phone buzzing? Like a maniac.
Jarvis at your service.
Hey, you, Jarvis. Just comment Lamborghini. Why the heck would he call it Lamborghini?
What's up, everybody?
Wow. Sorry about that. Yeah, what if we wanted the pizza link to show up in a different tab? Right? It is shoot. I can't remember what it was. Oh, I need to do it real quick. I can't remember. How do I make links open in other tabs in HTML? I can't remember this. Something child. It's like source or something. I love you, Stack Overflow. Target blank. Yep. That was it. Not child. Do what did it? That's what it is. It's target blank. All right. So if we save this should open pizza in a new tab. Don't care. All right, now we can refresh this. I see it hasn't changed a lot. Yep, I was right. Target blank. So you thought that. Right there. Target equals blank. So, there's a lot more you can learn about HTML. I'm not going to teach any more today, though. Going to exit out of this notepad file. It's been saved billions and billions and billions of times. Hopefully you like my website. And we will add on to this website a lot. But for now, I am going to have to say kudos to you. Love you guys. You guys are my posse. But you guys are cool. But remember that I'm Shady Master J. People like, subscribe, comment down below. And oh yeah. Comment what you want me to play next. Like if you want me to play any games. Suggest games, please. I need game suggestions because I'm literally out of ideas. I have okay, my Hangouts is being weird. It like paused. It's not a good thing. See my hands. You see my hands. Okay, well, comment down below. Please leave suggestions. I need suggestions. I need suggestions from you guys. You guys are amazing. You 9 subscribers. Test that subscribe button. Test that like button. And try to comment down below, please. But yeah. So on New Year's, I am planning something big. I'm going to do a New Year's special. And I am going to do it on New Year's. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I will tell you that it's going to be very big. And it's going to be very important. Why is my camera pausing? Just pausing. Tell it to stop pausing. Okay, well, we're almost done with this live stream. I'm trying to keep thinking of things to say. I don't know what to say. Gonna have somebody join us. He had joined us. But well, that's it, I guess. I guess in the meantime, stay cool, stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.